The University of Virginia is sharing the findings of two independent reviews of the 2022 shooting on grounds. This report was done by two law firms. One reviewed the events leading up to the shooting. The other investigated the emergency response after. Amaya Mitchell has been combing through the documents to give us an overview. It's our top story at 5.
The highly anticipated review of the deadly shooting on grounds is now public. Michael Haggard, an attorney for two of the victims' families, tells me waiting this long for the report has caused extra pain and suffering.
Obviously, the families have been upset with the delay, not only because they want to know what happened to their loved ones, but they want to make sure other students are safe.
Haggard says the Hollins and Perry families are upset at how long UVA waited to release this report, and once it dropped, how much information was redacted.
We think a lot of it is unnecessary. We're trying to work with the university to remove some of those redactions.
The university says the reason for so many redactions is to protect students' right to privacy. That includes Christopher Darnell Jones Jr., the convicted killer who refused to let UVA share what he told them. Here are two of the big takeaways from the reviews. First, the conclusion that there were no signs prior to the shooting that would have put a, quote, reasonable person on notice. Second, the overall response to the shooting was a success. Haggard disagrees.
So there's no question that they made mistakes and that it can be improved on. Certainly could have prevented this tragedy, and I think that's why they resolved the case, and that's where we are right now.
Haggard says the families want to continue working with UVA to improve safety.
We are committed to work with UVA and hope that we can make some progress.
Jones's sentencing is set for November. We've attached all the documents UVA released over on 29news.com so you can read them in full. For now on grounds, Amaya Mitchell, 29 News.